And look at the part 1 of this series that we did. I showed you guys how to get access to this product that's over 100, has over 100 digital marketing materials, and you can see I showed you guys how to make the flyer, edit the flyer. So we took everything step by step by getting the course, getting the flyer, and getting our copy, and just marketing in general. And then I stopped here because the video was getting too long, and now this particular video here that you're watching is the part 2 of this one. So if you haven't watched this part 1, I recommend you watch the part 1 so that you won't get confused with what you are doing. So you get access to this product. You come here, tap on this seller here. So you get access to this 100 plus courses. Yes, free right to resell is just 1000, and then yes, you just buy it, and then you just follow along this video, follow along, watch from the part 1 to this part 2 you're watching, and you understand everything you need to know about selling a digital product. Let's continue from where we stopped, and let me show you guys how to do this thing. So we're done with flyer, done with copy. Now we are going to access link. Yes, this is what we are going into now. So now, what is access link? Access link is a link that whoever wants to reach you will tap and then gets to you. Go to your browser and type walink, and then tap on this. So this is the walink. It's going to bring you here. So you're going to scroll down, just scroll down, and then come down to this place where it says number. This is where you're going to put the number that you want people to tap and then connect with you. So this is my number. Then this is the place that you're going to put what the people are going to see when they tap to connect with you. So you can say, I am interested in the digital marketing product. My name is. Always make sure you put this my name is there, so that you're going to get their name and they're going to save your number. So what you're going to do is now scroll down here and then tap on generate my link. Good. So you now scroll down here and then tap on copy link. So you've copied your link. Now let me show you your link. So this is your link. So you bring it here just to organize your work, and then you're not going to paste it here. So this is a link. Now let me show you guys the advantage of this link, what this link does. Now when we tap on this link, and it says open, this is what it does. This is the access link. This is what we call access link. So you can see this is how it came out. So whoever taps on that link is going to bring him to you, and then he's now going to see this thing. So he's just going to say, okay, I am interested in go, and then my name is, let's say my name is Victor, and then send. So you're not going to get notified that okay, this is the person, and then his name, and then you're going to save his name and then tell him to save your name. The next thing we are going to do is to create content for ads. You can see it, create content for ads. That means we're going to use to communicate what we're about to sell to whoever is watching. So we get, and if he's interested or if she's interested, then she clicks on the link, that's the access link, and then get access to the product or get access to us. So let me show you guys a content that I just created, and it's going to be in the link description. That is, if you buy it, if you get the course, if you buy the course, the 1000 naira course, you get everything there. So now let's go to the content. Let me show you guys. Okay guys, so this is the content. You can see it here. This is the content. I'm about to play it and see the way I edited everything and how I introduced the products to people, and it's just for 1000 naira. This is the same product you're going to get down below, and you're going to still do the same thing. So this is the content, and let me play it so that you guys will see how I structured the information and communicated the product to people. Get access to the digital product library containing over 100 plus video courses and book materials and PDF materials worth over 150,000 just for a fee of 1,000 naira. And you can also resell it. There's reseller rights to it. Learn data reselling, ChatGPT mastery, YouTube money with ChatGPT, CAC, and lots more. To get started, click the link around this video. If I don't deliver like I promise, I will refund your money back to you. So that's all about the ad, the content for ad. So now that content, I just created it for the particular ad. You'll come back to your seller account, and we're about to upload the course that we just bought or purchased, or the ebook that you downloaded, so or whatever product you have, digital product. So what you do is come here to this option, please, and go to products, and then tap on add product. Here you're not going to select the product, so that is a digital product if you downloaded the course, and then you now tap on digital product, and then tap on next. This is where you're now going to upload everything. Now I've shown you guys, I've shown you guys the how to copy everything and how to organize it. So what you're simply going to do now is come here first. You now put the image, that is the image that you want there, the graphic image that you just designed in the first video. So you select it. Let me just use an example. Let's just say it's this. Then you post it, you select it here, the right image, and here is going to be the name of the product. So you can see 1000 plus digital. You could just put the name. Then here is going to be the price. So I've shown you guys how to edit the price, so you can put whatever price, you want. But 1000 is a pricing technique. It's a pricing technique if you want to sell to a large amount of people randomly, without any without so much marketing skills. So when you put 1000 and then you give people an offer that they can't resist, they pay immediately without thinking twice. So 1000 is an offer, it's a price technique like that. So you could put here as, let's say 10,000, 1000 here, and then you now come to this show strike out original price. So you tap on it, and then here you're now going to put, let's say 10,000 here. This is like the initial price before the actual price now, which is 1000. So here you now put in the copy that you have gotten. Watch the first video to understand this, please. So let's say this is the copy we want to put here. So all we have to do is just to select everything, and then we now copy, and then we take it here, and then we are now going to paste it here. Good. So here's everything. Now there's the access link that we just created. You could just paste the access link here. I could paste it here. So let's imagine this is our access link that we just made. Let's say, yeah, this is actually the access link. So you copy it, and then they contact me for transfer. So for people that want to transfer, so they could just contact you. So everything is made very easy for whoever wants to buy. Make everything easy. If you go to buy the particular sample course that we're using for this, you notice that I did everything here. Yeah. So the category, you select the category based on you check for the category. Let's see what best suits this category. Let's say marketing and sales. Then here subcategory. Let's say affiliate marketing. It's supposed to be digital marketing, but affiliate marketing, yeah, it's supposed to be okay. Sales and marketing. One else. Let's just go with affiliate marketing. It doesn't really matter. But then here, multiple variations. You leave these multiple variations of size, colors. It's product. Let's say you have products that have, let's say, t-shirts that have different colors. Yeah, then you can now tap on that to put in different colors that's available. So, and sizes too. So here is what you're now going to put the PDF that you downloaded. Yeah, here is now where you're now going to put the PDF here. So you tap here, this drag and drop, you go to and then search for the PDF and then upload it here. Yeah, so that is what you're going to do. Then you just tap on create product, and the product is going to automatically created. So now let's go back to the place of assigning affiliates. So let's go back. So you tap here, you tap on this option, please. Let's close this, and then let's come to affiliates. Good. Tap on affiliates. Good. So now if you want to assign an affiliate, what you simply do is you get the affiliate, the person that wants to affiliate for you, you get his so you tap here and tap on add affiliate here. Tap on add affiliate here. So you tap on it. Good. So here you're now going to choose the product that you want to select the affiliate. So if it's all product, single product, tap on single product, then you now select the particular product. So let's say there's the product that we've just posted there. It's going to pop out here. So let's say, yeah, this rule of design, and then here is now where you're going to put the affiliate email address. So you can see you could put this email address here, and here is the percentage. Give affiliates at least good percentage, so it's going to encourage them to affiliate your product. So you could now put, let's say, 50%, and then you now tap on add affiliates. Now it's not going to add because I already added this. Okay, that's added actually. So you can see here, this is the affiliates. This is affiliate. So watch, this is affiliate, and this is the link here. So what you do here is to give the affiliates this particular link. So you just copy this link, you copy the link and send it to the affiliate. So you just tap on copy link address, and then you send it to the affiliate. So let's say on WhatsApp, you go to the affiliate on WhatsApp. Let's say this is the affiliate, so you just post it here and send it to the affiliates. So the affiliates, this is the affiliate link. If the affiliate, the particular affiliate that you've put the email address, the person is going to have a seller account. So you're going to make sure, he's going to make sure that he has a seller account. So that is where he's going to see his commission. And yeah, so when he sells a product, he's going to get 50% commission. So good. So now, how do you promote your product and also look for affiliates when promoting? Now you have two ways you can do it. So the first way is to come to Facebook. Now listen to me, guys, and listen attentively. What you're going to do is now come to this search bar and search for, tap on this search and search for student group on any of this. Let's just tap on this first and join most of the group, or even all. This that is join visit. Good. So now you have access to all of this group. Mind you, it's not restricted. Don't just only join Nigerian groups. You can join every kind of group or all the kind of groups in the world. Just join all of them, and or you could also join even Nigerian groups. So you can join all these groups. Good. Now let me show you what you have to do. Now you come here, you see this, I've just made all of these things very simple for you. So the first thing you have to do here is to make this post. So you see this first that you see, it says if you want to make 2,500, that is 50% commission of a free 50% commission for free. Comment interested or send a direct DM. Need only 10 people. Everything done for you. Just copy and paste, get results, get paid. Yes, no investment required. So you see all of this thing is what you're going to copy here. All of this is what you're going to copy. And then now let's go back. Let me show you an example. Take note of posts in a day. You can see this 10 posts here. This second one, 10 posts a day. So it's a good group to join. So you could just join, and then let's visit. So now what you're to do here, let's visit the group. So you see, so you can see, so you can make posts here. So what you have copied now, okay, post. So you tap here in this post, go create a post, and then you paste what you have copied. Good. So you paste what you have copied. Let's see if so what you're going to simply do now is just to post it. So you can see I've posted it. Good. So some of them admin is going to check them out before it now allows it to be posted. So just take note of that. So that's what you're going to do now in all of the groups. Join a lot of groups and then just make those posts in the group. Make all of those posts in the group. Now let's go to the second thing to do. Now this is the second thing. You see this second here, this is the second thing you have to do. So when you get people that will send you that will comment under your post, let's say you make a post and someone comment under the post, you look for the people that commented under and then go to their DM. Now you go to their DM and then when they say interested, because based on what you have posted here, when they say interested, you can see it say comment interested. Good. So you go to their DM on Facebook. Let's say this. So let's say a comment under comment section here, you're going to see people are going to post interested. So go to their DM and then you're going to paste this. You copy this, everything here. I'm going to leave all of these things in the description below. So you copy all of these things and then paste it for them to read, the people that are interested. Good. So now you can see what it says. It says, glad you are interested in this opportunity. Let me explain all you need to know. I will give you access to my digital product value at 150k, then for free. All you have to do is introduce it to people that want it. Don't worry, I am running a promo and the product is now 5,000, so it's easier for you to promote and you will get 50% commission. I will also guide you and give you all the materials you need to promote. Good. So that is just all. Just follow exactly what I'm telling you in this video. Just follow.